What's up guys, Andrew here, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the Ashampoo Snap 15 application run at startup. What you want to do, go ahead and open up the application guys, and once you have the application open, you might not see it open up fully here because this is going to open up as a background app. So on the lower right hand side, just click this arrow here and expand your tray and just basically do a right click and you have all the features there to the application. Now go ahead and click on the settings option here, and you will see at the top here it says application start with Windows. Now once you click this check box here, this is going to allow the application to start once the Windows start up, and that's all that you have to do. Then the next time you have your Windows start up, you'll be able to find the application here. Another thing that you can actually do guys is just right click on the Windows icon here in your taskbar, and you want to go ahead and go to your task manager. Once you have the task manager opens up, you will be able to see all those applications that you have. So go ahead and click on startup apps, and here you will see all of your startup applications. You might not have the application here. Once you have the application enabled, you will be able to have this application showing up here. And at any point in time, you can also come here and choose whether or not you want to have this application start up with Windows. Take for example OneDrive. I've go ahead and I remove that or disable that so that it doesn't start up on Windows, right? And you can see that, for example, I have other applications here that are currently starting up with Windows, such as the Epic Game Launcher and so forth. So guys, that's it. That's how to go ahead and enable Ashampoo 15 to start up with Windows. Very easy and very simple. Once you click and save, it will go ahead and start up with Windows afterwards, the next time you start your computer.